Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to unblock somebody on Messenger app. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to unblock somebody on Facebook Messenger app, let's open up our Messenger app first. And after opening your Messenger app, you will need to find out the person whom you have blocked on Messenger previously. To do that, tap on your profile picture icon on the top left corner of your screen, and after that, little scroll down a little bit and you can see the privacy option available under the category preferences. Tap on privacy, and after that you can see the block accounts option available over here, which is the second one. Tap on blocked accounts and you will see all of your block accounts over here. For me, I'll be unblocking this one. You can see unblock messages and calls option available over here. Tap on over here the minus sign and this dialog box will appear, and again tap on unblock to unblock your friend or the person you want to unblock on Facebook Messenger app, and you can see he's unblocked. And there guys, this is how you unblock somebody on Facebook Messenger app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.